Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is open up your SR3 app. Once that app opens up, you'll navigate to Apps over on the left side. Then you'll want to scroll down that list until you see Google Drive. Just go ahead and click Install. Okay, now once that is done, you can close out the SR3 app and open up your Launchpad down below. Once there, it may be on your second page, but you'll see the Google Drive icon. Just click that. Click Sign In. You want to sign in with your school email account. Then you can go ahead and close that window. Just have to click OK on this. Go through the little initial startup screen. You can open up your Drive folder, and once in there, you'll actually be able to set your offline access just by opening up a folder, right-clicking on a file, going down to Google Drive, and selecting Available Offline. And there you go.